people, is the one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today topic, I want to talk about this lady wey be say, you get why I want to talk about, and this lady wey be say she dey show her body for Facebook. They show Ikpekus, they show e body. E get one video wey she do one day, she come talk say e wan show e wan open Ikpekus down. E wan open e body make people come watch, make dem share the video. If this lady dey do video sometimes e dey get 200. If you dey do normal video, you go get 200, 100, sometimes 300, you know. You know, they get better view. But immediately she come talk say she wan open Ikpekus, people come, they come watch. People come really, I say 11K come they watch this lady. 11K. I was like, so because she come talk say she wan show her Ikpekus, people come share the video. Why e be say na so bad thing I would they like to watch for social media? Why e be say person go do good thing, una no go share the video, una no go watch? But if person come say wan show Ikpekus for social media, all of una go just run. Una wan go watch. Una wan go watch Ikpekus. Una no get Ikpekus for inside house. And the funny part, na married men go even many pass wey go watch that video. Married men, and they go many pass wey go watch am. Not beside the say wetin the woman they do na her life. Now her life. I not come here come insult am, but I just come address some issue wey be say if they read like they eat me up. Now say today I must talk about am really. Why e be say we know they like to share better thing. E get one lady that day wey win people come dey congratulate the lady. I don't forget her name. One Igbo, even say na Igbo woman, no. So the people come dey congratulate her for Facebook. Even Parada talk about her. I don't see anybody will talk about her because now good news. Now good news, nobody go talk. But if now bad news, hey, we go be number one. We go fair do that video. We go be number one. We go fair do the video talk about her. If na bad thing, you will see they go to share am. I said that you know how many people share this girl nakedness, this girl body can't give me. You know how many people show am, share and can't give me. I was like, but the normal video, una no go share. We go do video for YouTube. The video go make sense. We go even give you sense. Make you share and give people. Una no go share. But immediately, if na bad thing, una go be number one. We go first share am. This lady talk and say, he say one open Ikpekus. Make dem share am. He wan open body. Make dem share am. Una know people will share this video. People share this video like say tomorrow no day. Could not believe say 11K na come dey watch this woman. 11K. Person wey go dey do video, no go even see, you no go even see 1,000 wey go watch am ordinary if you not show your body. Immediately she talk am. I been at the day when she first talk say she want person share her body. Say you want show Ikpekus. You know how many people watch her that day? People wey watch her that day, they reach about 15K, a bit 20K. Now you watch her. The day when she first talk, say before they come bring people come go report her, they come bring the video down. Then this one again now, she come talk say he want do am again 11K. People come, hey. I was like, so because now Ikpekus in one share, now people come, they come rush, they want come watch Ikpekus. Una never see Ikpekus before. Una never see Ikpekus before. Una never see Ikpekus before. Yeah. Many of una even get girlfriend for house. Una want watch Ikpekus. Another person Ikpekus. Now you go. Now I don't blame people who come the open body these days. Because now what they feel say now they give the view. Like Natasha will be say when they come social media, they do well before. Natasha not the open body before. All of a sudden, Natasha just change. Natasha begin even call the shook bottle. They shook something for inside Ikpekus. I was like most about the shot and give me. I said, now Natasha be this one. Now Natasha be this one. He open and down because Now what is the they do? He wants to do and two now. Now what all of them they do now for social media. So she too wants to do am. Una go blame her. There been a Chichi way day. Chichi before not the open body. Chichi before they do better thing for his social media. Later, all of a sudden the Chichi your change. Your entire body to the open. Chichi begin the open or your body down. Now Instagram therefore they do the worst. Instagram and you go really see them way. Chichi your start. So Chichi. I remember when Natasha thought saying with Chichi they do this thing together. That they open body together. Say that they do this lesbian together. Chichi deny saying a lie, saying no they do one. But later, they can't do and come out for social media. Make everybody see. Two of them begin come they kiss each other and say, okay. Demon, where did this social media? We be see una never be see. Oh God, oh. I just the laugh. We be say people go do better thing. People not go wash. If they see bad thing, all of them go run. They want go wash. I want go wash. I want go wash. Bekus where they open down. Bekus where be say if they even though you evil sin and you don't go feel enter. So waiting they make people they like to they see all those kind of bad things. People go they do better thing, will get better view. People go say they want to open their bekus down. You see all of them go rush, go there, they want go wash. Now waffle now. Now wow. More na get sense. Really. Some of you now, more na get sense. The time when I'll tell you na time take wash better thing. Now only people with the open bekus down, no want go wash. Now wow. So even though if they, maybe now where they do saga, now you see people go wrong, go there, want go wash saga. Why it be like that? I know they blame people. You see these people where we say that they do saga so. Sometimes the reason I say now what they give the view now be that one. If they say they really sit down advise people now, they go really sit down say they want to advise people say maybe they will not keep their home this that. A person like me shall here not fit change because say people they do this one because they do saga. Make I go enter saga because of a view. No, I can't do that. You understand? So you see say people when they do saga now they say they don't want to stop January to December. They do saga because they don't reason and say now wait till they give their view be that one. Now wait till they don't reason for their life. So now wait till they give their view now be that one. And they could just continue to the one because they don't reason and say now wait till they give their view now be that one. Now they see the matter. Una they see the matter now. My darling people, things they read they happen. Things they read they happen. I they tell you now. I they tell you now, my darling people. Where would they use our HQ? Thank you, everybody. So anything you think about the video, if I make sense for the video, Mona not insult me. And the way I know I'm rich now, city talker. So anything I think, Mona leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye.